This is how you create a Zoho sign document. So I'm on the invoice page right now of the CRM, and I'm just going to click on this here. So send with Zoho sign at the top right, right? And I'm going to get a document that looks like this. And basically just click on here, click on CRM template, and then you choose the template that you want to choose. So I'm just going to choose the one that says prepaid. And I could just search for it too. Okay. All right. So, and create that. All right. So you click on where it says create, and then you'll get a page look like this. This is more like a confirmation page. If you want to just send it without confirming anything, you can click quick send. But I usually just go through the whole thing just to be sure. And this is the confirmation page, and you have the document here. You have the email address here, where the document is going to be going to, and you can change this if you like. Put a different email. You can add an email, and all that. So once you're satisfied with that, you want to click on continue, and you don't have to add anything for this. As you can tell, these fields already filled in for the customer to add their signature, put their full name, and sign and date. So everything is filled in here. These fields are for the technician to add notes, problem found, and solution, and that's it. All right. And once you're done with that, then you just go ahead and click send, and that's it. You confirm, and that's pretty much how it's done. All right, so that email went out, and that's it.